National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 1 a.m. At 9:03 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Singing Spring, Laureldale, Waldorf, Wearersville, Newmanstown, Topton, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Lyons, Strausstown, Lenhartsville, Spring Ridge, Fairview Heights, and Shillington. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.